This is the garden and just a few of our gardeners working at Neff Lake
We are
Enrichment Center,
planting
situated on
corn.
30 beautiful acres in Brooksville, Florida. We would like to double the existing garden space and add a 30 by 30 foot ADA compliant greenhouse to enable students with less ambulatory function to benefit from gardening. The expansion promotes additional vocational training and service to our community and the county at large by opening up a venue for the sale of plants in the spring and vegetables in the fall. As the community grows, we work to meet the needs of Brooksville, Florida adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities, hands-on learning opportunities, promotes self-worth, self-sufficiency, and enhances the well-being of participants through therapeutic horticulture. Gardens grow more than plants. They grow community, joy, and resilience. The garden utilizes the transformative power of nature. Gardening is a space where abilities shine, where everyone contributes, and where the simplest act of care can become a celebration of independence and teamwork.